Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 186. We start with this middle box. We're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 covering both of these boxes, so our 6 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1, 6 here, so 7, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 6. 6 covering these two boxes means this is our 6. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. For this column now we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box now we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this top row, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 and 5 here, so this is our 1. That 5 makes this our 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 3, 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. Oh, and this 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 3, 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. And to finish out this box, looks like we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.